Buckle in is a colloquial phrase that encapsulates the idea of preparing oneself for an impending situation, challenge, or journey. This expression is predominantly used in informal contexts and holds a sense of readiness and anticipation. Although it has an intrinsic connection to physical actions like fastening seatbelts, it transcends its literal meaning to encompass a broader metaphorical significance. At its core, buckle in invokes the notion of securing oneself against the potential turbulence or uncertainty that lies ahead. When you buckle in, you are essentially acknowledging that you are about to embark on a journey, whether it's a literal one in a car or airplane, or a metaphorical one in life. It's an act of acknowledging the need for precaution and preparedness in the face of unpredictability. This phrase finds its most common usage in the context of travel, especially before a long car ride or flight. It's a reminder to take a moment to ensure your safety and comfort, symbolized by the act of fastening your seatbelt. Beyond the physical aspect, buckle in carries emotional and psychological implications. It's a call to mentally prepare for what lies ahead, to brace oneself for potential challenges or changes. In a broader sense, buckle in can be applied to various life situations. It encourages individuals to mentally and emotionally prepare for upcoming challenges or transitions. Whether it's starting a new job, embarking on a new phase of a relationship, or pursuing a personal goal, the phrase reminds us to be mentally present and adaptable. It signifies the importance of acknowledging that life is full of uncertainties, and that one must be ready to face them head-on. Additionally, buckle in implies a sense of commitment and determination. When you buckle in, you're making a conscious decision to move forward despite any reservations or fears you may have. It's a statement of resolve, an affirmation that you're willing to confront whatever comes your way. In conclusion, buckle in is a versatile expression that goes beyond its literal association with seatbelts. It serves as a reminder to prepare oneself mentally and emotionally for upcoming challenges, transitions, or journeys in life. It encapsulates readiness, determination, and a willingness to face uncertainty with resolve. Whether you're about to embark on a physical journey or navigate the twists and turns of life, buckle in encourages you to fasten your mental and emotional seatbelt and be prepared for the ride ahead.